Assemble the appropriate size gripper to the shaft by aligning the slot of the gripper with the crosspin of the shaft. There will be an audible click when the gripper is in place. Thread the appropriate size tip onto the shaft in a clockwise motion. After threading on the tip, pull the gripper down towards the tip to ensure it is in the proper starting position. Press fit the Ceramax ceramic insert on the gripper component. For ease of assembly, engage one side of the gripper first and then proceed to snap on the opposite side. Verify that the insert is fully seated to ensure proper alignment. Before placing the Ceramax insert into the Pinnacle shell, ensure all mating surfaces are clean and free of debris. Handle the Ceramax insert carefully to avoid damage that could compromise the mechanical integrity of the insert taper locking mechanism. Advance the insert into the incision and align the face of the gripper to the face of the cup. Proper alignment is achieved when the instrument will no longer rotate given the locking features between the gripper and cup. Press firmly on the handle to introduce the Ceramax insert into the Pinnacle cup. An audible click from the gripper will assist with determining when the insert has been seated. Carefully remove the AB gripper instrument. Do not attempt to fully engage the taper locking mechanism by striking the end of the AB gripper inserter. Prior to final impaction, examine the insert to ensure it is seated evenly relative to the shell face. Use an impactor with the appropriate size impactor tip for final seating of the Ceramax insert.
There is a new tamp extractor available to reposition the ceramic insert in the shell should it be necessary. Thread the tamp extractor tip onto the Pinnacle straight impactor handle. To use, first position the tamp extractor inside one of the scallops in the Pinnacle shell. The tamp extractor should be positioned with the pilot feature adjacent to the liner and the wall on the outside rim of the shell. Make sure that the tamp extractor is positioned securely in the scallop and not overlapping the liner. Make sure that no part of the tamp extractor is contacting the liner before striking, as contact may damage the liner. For optimal positioning, place the tamp extractor 90 degrees from the face of the shell. Next, ensure the AB suction cup is used in conjunction with the tamp extractor. Strike the flat surface on the tamp extractor handle attached to the properly positioned tamp. The insert can now be lifted out of the shell by the suction cup mechanism and repositioned appropriately. At this point, it's important to ensure that the ceramic liner is seated properly prior to impaction. Applying force to a canted liner or a liner seated asymmetrically could compromise the ceramic material. Prior to impacting a ceramic liner, verify that the insert is fully seated, meaning that it is aligned with the face of the shell. This can be done visually and manually by running a finger around the circumference of the liner to ensure that it is symmetric with the shell.
Final seating requires 2 to 4 moderate blows.